While you're in the mood to be healthier, listen up. We're going to bring you the inspirational story of a woman who knows that it's never too late to lose weight. What she's doing to take control of her life, coming up next.
8:50 on a Monday morning, and the new year is the perfect time to get a brand new outlook on life. And no matter how big or how small your resolution, every little bit of positive energy can go toward helping you to reach that goal. So here to give you a little New Year's inspiration, if you will, we have Jennifer Vasquez, who's training for her very first bike-a-thon, and also Gabrielle Rosenthal, the founder of the Center for Medical Weight Loss. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Hello. All right, well, thank you for being here. We've got the bike as well, so we're getting pumped up. Gabriella, let's start with you. Jennifer, you have an amazing story, and we're going to get to that in just a moment. But Gabriella, let's talk about this. It's called Tour de Cure. I was reading a little bit about it, and every 20 seconds, somebody is diagnosed with diabetes. I was reading, and it's stats like that that just make us realize how important and how crucial fitness is to our health and our life, really. So talk about the Tour de Cure and what it's all about and why you're starting a team for this.
Okay, well, we run an internal medicine and a bariatric practice on University Drive. And the reason why we started to get involved with the Tour de Cure was to raise money for the American Diabetes Association. Our goal is to raise $5,000. It's our second event that we've done for the American Diabetes Association. I've personally lost 130 pounds.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And Jennifer.
So Jennifer,
our protege.
Yes. Oh, yeah? You guys are on the team together, right?
On the team. I'm the team captain. Okay. And one thing we always strive for is to get our patients involved with weight loss, get them healthy. They have to move. To maintain your weight, you have to exercise. Over 25 million people are afflicted with this terrible disease. And the huge amount of the population right now is on diabetes medication. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's a terrible epidemic. And it's a terrible killer. It's a slow, silent killer. And to help us raise awareness for diabetes and get people motivated, we have a huge team going with the Center for Medical Weight Loss on University Drive. Jennifer is riding 10 miles in the race. Yes. We train every Saturday. She gets up every morning. You can tell them.
Yes.
Yeah, we wake her up. Your story a little bit.
It's very good. It's very inspiring. I've never thought I would do anything even close to 10 miles. I mean, normally just sleep in mornings. But once you start the diet program, you go into this awakening mode in your body. You feel energized. You don't feel tired. You feel great. It's something changing about you.
Okay, and Jennifer, I was reading about you and your personal journey, and you're starting 354 pounds. Is that correct? And you want to get to?
Hopefully down to 140. That'll be good.
She will. Not hopefully, she will get there.
And you will, and with inspiration like Gabriella.
Yes, it's a very inspiring center. You have the support behind you. You have people, they catch up on you. You know, if something's wrong, you could always give them a call. So you have that support, something that technically with maybe other programs you don't have.
And Jennifer, a lot of us make these resolutions, and then it's hard to stay strong. So where's
the first one?
Okay. So
guilty.
Where's the inspiration come from? Why do you do it? Because it's easy to say it, it's harder to do it.
Well, I started researching to different programs, and I've done different ones. But once I found the Center for Medical Weight Loss, it's just her story, inspiring. It's something different. I mean, amazing. Just the way she looks before and after pictures. It's wow. It gives you this maybe I could look like that someday, you know, and maybe we will look like that.
And you will.
And
she will. This is her first bike.
First bike.
She bought for the Tour de Cure.
Yes, I did.
She went out to buy it for the Tour de Cure.
It's amazing to do 10 miles. It's something life-changing.
Do you have any idea what that's like to be in a body like this? And
oh, the riding. I was talking about the riding.
Right, the riding. But to be in a body like this and the way you feel emotionally, the way you feel, you don't feel like you can go on. You don't feel sometimes that you could go out of bed. I used to be 260 pounds. There were days where I was in so much physical pain where I could not get out of bed. And to inspire somebody to go out and buy a bike and to get on a bike. And she's riding with people that now I've been working out for a while. We have seasoned athletes doing it with us. We have other weight loss patients. There's all levels. We stay together as a group. She's riding with us.
Yes.
She's riding with us. That's amazing.
Well, ladies, you both have very inspirational stories, and we will be supporting you the entire way.
Thank you.
And we want you back on the show after you reach your goal. Is that okay?
Perfect. No problem.
All right, ladies, thank you so much for being here. And for more information on the Center for Medical Weight Loss, visit southflorida.com. Click on the Go button. We also have more information about the Tour de Cure. And while you're online, are you thinking about getting back on a bike to help jumpstart your weight loss plan? We have the information you need before you get on the road at southflorida.com/help.